Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 276. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 4, 6, and 9. Got a 4 here, so 1, 6, 9. Same here, 1, 6, 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so 1, 4. 6 and 9 here, so 1, 4. If we look at this box, we're missing 3, 5, 6, and 8. We've got 3 and 6 here, so 5, 8. And same here, 5, 8. 5 here, so 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 9. We've got the 1 covering these two boxes, 9 here, so 3, 4. That 1, so 3, 4, 9. 9 here, so 1, 3, 4. And 9 here, so 1, 3, 4. So if we look, the only place the 9 can be in that box is here. If we look at this column, we're missing 3, 5, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so 3, 5. 3 and 7 here, so 5, 9. 3 and 5 here, so 7, 9. 5 and 7 here, so 3, 9. So now if we look, the only place the 7 can be is here, and the only place the 5, oh, never mind. That's all we can get out of that. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so 2, 3. 3 and 5 here, so 2, 8. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so 3, 4. 4 here, so 2, 3, 8. And no help here, 2, 3, 4, 8. For this row, we're missing 1, 3, 4, 8. We've got the 1 here, so 3, 4, 8. 4 here, so 1, 3, 8. 3 here, so 1, 4, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 8. We've got the 1 and 4 here, so 2, 8. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, 4, and 7. We've got the 4 here, so 1, 3, 7. 7 here, so 1, 3, 4. And if we look, then the only place the 7 can be in this column is here. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, 6, and 8. We've got the 3 and 8 here, so 4, 6, 3 here, so 4, 6, 8, 6 and 8 here, so 3, 4. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, 3, and 8. We've got the 2 here, so 1, 3, 8. 1 here, so 2, 3, 8. If we look, the only place the 1 can be in this box is here, and the only place the 3 can be is here. That 1 and 3 makes this our 8. So let's see what we can fix here now. With that 1, we can get rid of this 1 and this 1. With that 8 and 3, that makes this our 2. With that 3, we can get rid of this 3. With that 2, we can get rid of this 2. And now if we look at this row, the only place the 8 can be is here. And with that 3 and that 8, that means this is our 6. And that 6 and 8 makes this our 3. With that 8, we can get rid of this 8. That means, oh, and this, get rid of this 8. All right, if we look at this column now, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. No help here. 2, 4, 9. 2 here, so 4, 9. And no help here. 2, 4, 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 9. We've got 3 and 4 here, so 2, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. We've got 5 and 8 here, so this is our 2. Wait. 2, 7, and 8. So we've got the 8 here, so 2, 7, 2 and 7 here. Means this is our 8. That 8 makes this our 2, 7. That 2 makes this our 8, 5, 8. That 5 makes this our 3, 2. That 3 makes this our 9, 5. That 9 makes this our 6, 9. If we look at this box now, we're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here, so 6, 5. Just looking to see if there's anything we can clean up yet. I don't see anything. For this top row now, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got 3 and 4 here, so this is our 1. That makes this our 4, 3. That 4 makes this our 1. And that 4 makes this our 1. We can get rid of this 1, this 1. That 3 makes this our 4, 3, and 3, 4. That 3 and 4 makes this our 1. That 3 makes this our 4, 3. We can get rid of this 4. That 4 makes this our 6. We can get rid of this 6. For this column now we're missing 2 and 9, so 2, 9. For this row we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 4. We can get rid of this 4. For this box now we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. This 4 makes this our 8. The only place in this box our 4 can be now is here. And we're just left with plugging in the numbers, so we'll go with 2, 9, 2, 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.